PLTR stock analysis and PLTR stock prediction. What I will be doing here is showing you my exact play with Palantir Technologies. Look, man, like having done well over 42,000 videos, I've seen what's personally printing me money and what's not. And look, I'm not just saying it just to say it. Like, I quite frankly literally have 25 results here in place and like 42,000 videos documented on my YouTube channel. PLTR specifically, I understand we're in this correction phase. But like technically now we're here, and if there's a confirmation, then and only then I'll buy. Bro, I'm like randomly freaking buying myself. It's not going to be happening. Like, I don't know like what you have to do or if you have not to do. If there is no double break, I don't care about buying. So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. That's it. So if you want to learn the strategy and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. This is what you call leverage. You learn this in hours, but what's taking me 5 years to learn. 1,200 people have tried it, all 5-star reviews, and it's risk-free. Goodbye, enjoy.